Ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna make mayonnaise. The reality is, there are so many different sauces that start with this basic technique. Spicy mayonnaise, Caesar salad dressing, ranch dressing, blue cheese dressing. So that's why we're gonna show you how to do it. And I'm gonna walk you through it starting right now. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna separate the white from the yolk. We're gonna just drop the yolk into our hand like that. There are all these gadgets, gizmos, tools, and toys and ways to do this. This is the way they do it and professionals do it because it's actually easy. It gets all the white out and look, one yolk, done. Secondly, we're gonna whisk in salt, lemon juice, and mustard. And we're gonna give it a whisk. So we wanna whisk fairly vigorously and just mix it all up. Break it down, and now this is when the magic happens. So what winds up happening is I need to pour and whisk, and my bowl can go all over the place. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little towel like this. We're gonna wet it, just so that it's moist, and then we can wring it out. We are gonna make a rat tail out of it. This is what you use to like torture people. And then we're just gonna make a little circular bowl home landing pad, which is gonna stabilize our bowl. Now we can take our olive oil and really fast, I'm gonna whisk while I just very ever so slightly drizzle my oil in. This is what it should look like at this point. It looks completely emulsified, meaning if I put it on my finger, it does not break. I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil and a lot of regular vegetable oil. So about a 30% olive oil to 70% vegetable oil. And slowly drizzle until it starts to thicken and look like mayonnaise. And if it gets too thick, you can always add a few spoonfuls of warm water. I might have broken a sweat, but I definitely broke an egg yolk, and I 100% made mayonnaise, because that's all it takes.